Imagine staring up at the night sky. A canvas speckled with billions upon billions of stars. Each one potentially the center of its own solar system. Maybe even harboring a planet just like ours. Now, consider this. With a universe so vast and ancient, shouldn't we have heard from someone else by now? That, in a nutshell, is the Fermi paradox. It's a cosmic head-scratcher that asks a simple, yet profound question. Where is everybody? Welcome to Cosmic Chronicles, where we delve into the deepest mysteries of the universe. Today, we're tackling the Fermi paradox, the apparent contradiction between the high probability of extraterrestrial civilizations existing and the lack of any contact with them. Over the next few minutes, we'll explore the mind-blowing scale of the universe, unpack the Drake equation, a famous attempt to quantify the odds of finding alien life, and dive into some of the most compelling explanations for why we might be utterly, tragically, alone. Or perhaps, why we just haven't heard the cosmic doorbell ring yet. Buckle up. It's going to be a wild ride. The idea for Cosmic Chronicles. The Fermi paradox. Are we really alone? Sparked during a late-night conversation. Fueled by documentaries and a healthy dose of existential dread. I'd always been fascinated by the sheer scale of the universe. And the Fermi paradox just seemed like the ultimate cosmic puzzle. Initially, it was just a personal project. A way to organize my own thoughts on the topic. I started researching, devouring everything from Enrico Fermi's original musings to modern astrobiology theories. The first draft was rough. Let's just say it was a dense academic paper disguised as a YouTube script. Thankfully, I showed it to my friend, Sarah, who's got a knack for simplifying complex ideas. She helped me strip away the jargon and focus on making it engaging for a wider audience. From there, it was a process of constant refinement. I brought on board David, our resident astronomy enthusiast, to ensure all the scientific information was accurate and up to date. He's been invaluable in navigating the complexities of star formation, planetary habitability, and the Drake equation. Then came the visuals. Finding the right imagery to capture the immensity of space and the implications of the paradox was a challenge. We spent hours scouring NASA archives and collaborating with digital artists to create compelling representations of distant galaxies and potential extraterrestrial civilizations. Finally, after weeks of writing, rewriting, fact-checking, and visual design, we arrived at what you're seeing now. It's been a collaborative effort, a journey to explore one of the most profound questions humanity has ever asked. Are we truly alone in the universe? Okay. So the Fermi paradox isn't just some dusty old thought experiment gathering cobwebs in a physicist's attic. It's actually incredibly relevant today. We see it popping up everywhere, influencing fields from scientific research to science fiction, and even shaping our perspectives on global challenges. In the scientific community, The Fermi paradox continues to fuel the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, or SETI. It motivates researchers to refine their search strategies, develop new technologies for detecting signals, and consider increasingly complex scenarios for why we haven't heard from anyone. Think about projects like the Allen Telescope Array, partially inspired by the paradox, constantly scanning the skies for that elusive sign of intelligent life. But the paradox also pushes us to look inward. Some scientists argue that the Great Filter, the hypothetical barrier preventing civilizations from reaching interstellar travel, might lie ahead of us. Could it be climate change, nuclear war, a global pandemic? The Fermi paradox, therefore, acts as a stark warning, urging us to address existential threats to our own survival as a species. It's a cosmic mirror reflecting our own potential self-destruction. Beyond science, the Fermi paradox has a huge impact on popular culture. It's a recurring theme in countless science fiction books, movies, and video games. These stories often explore different solutions to the paradox, from the idea that aliens are avoiding us to the possibility that they've already destroyed themselves. This exposure helps spark public imagination and gets people thinking about profound questions about our place in the universe. Think about films like Contact, or video games like Mass Effect. They grapple with the paradox in compelling and thought-provoking ways. Ultimately, the Fermi paradox continues to challenge our assumptions and inspire both scientific inquiry and creative exploration. It reminds us that while the universe may be vast, intelligent life might be rarer and more fragile than we imagine, making the search for answers and the preservation of our own civilization all the more crucial. So, where does that leave us? We've journeyed through the vastness of space, contemplated mind-boggling numbers, and explored some pretty wild theories. From the Great Filter to the zoo hypothesis, we've seen just how many potential answers and unsettling possibilities the Fermi paradox presents. The bottom line? We still don't know if we're alone. The silence from the cosmos is deafening, and the reasons for that silence could be anything from a natural cataclysm waiting to happen to a cosmic code of conduct we simply haven't deciphered yet. The paradox remains a stark reminder of our ignorance, a humbling testament to the sheer scale of the universe, and a powerful invitation to keep searching. And the search continues. I predict that as our technology advances and our understanding of the universe deepens, we'll get closer to unraveling this cosmic mystery. Perhaps Cosmic Chronicles will even be here to bring you the news when, or if, we finally find an answer. Until then, keep looking up, keep questioning, and keep exploring. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into the Fermi paradox, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Cosmic Chronicles. We've got plenty more cosmic mysteries to explore.